Our collaboration with SiteLogic in the community turned out to be the reason I believe that we were fortunate to pass the referendum.
The SiteLogic team was great. They wanted us to be able to say exactly what we felt the entire time. They made it very clear that our communities were important to them. They wanted us to succeed.
It started out of an HVAC project to give the current school building some new air. The quality of air was not good. And then we started looking deeper into all of the buildings, and we found that the building in Clinton had lots of issues that we could not solve without a lot of money.
The specific steps that were taken in this particular project were first to get a baseline for the entire district and looking at both buildings and examining their physical, educational, and functional needs, and then putting some costs to those. And then also through a process called ideation with students and staff is generating their ideas as to what spaces they needed to educate students here at Clinton-Graceville-Beardsley into the future.
They went through the first process of analyzing the school and giving us their proposals on the things that were outdated, and I think ultimately that was a really big turning point for me. They brought the community into the school decision-making process, and I think that, for me, that was the best thing. It gives their fingerprint on the school district, and they're going to look at that and be like, I had a hand in that, which I think is awesome.
Through this process, SiteLogic and the admin team really taught us how referendums work, how schools are funded, what happens in our district, what our facilities are currently like, and what they could be.
Some of the add-ons to the school building when it's all said and done is going to offer preschool all the way through 12th grade instruction, special education spaces, dedicated spaces, as well as some additions, a secure entryway, a gymnasium with multi-purpose space, fitness area, as well as career and technical ed space.
I am so excited for our district and our kids. SiteLogic did such a good job of representing our communities. The school district is the unifying factor between us all. It's a really great community as a whole to be a part of. It's not just one community, it's all of us together.